Hey everybody, it's Vitali here at Firestorm Records, Red Barn Productions, Old Guys Gaming, and we're back. And today we were supposed to be making a video about the GVM 560AS bicolor LED panel light kit, the 3-light kit. Unfortunately, they sent me the wrong lights. So instead, we're going to talk about the GVM 480LS, which is what they sent me. Sorry about that, it's the microphone. It comes in a carry case with 3 LED panels, 3 light stands, 3 power supplies, and I've already got one hooked up here. You've seen that at the intro to the video, and they know that I have it up because I set it up to take pictures and show them that they had in fact sent me the wrong lights. And it'll be interesting to see how customer support handles this. I'm not hating on them. I'm not knocking them. Things happen. However, how they handle this determines their rating with me. Customer service is everything. And I spent an extra $73 from change to have them here yesterday, and the lights that I ordered are not here. Anyway, this is what they look like. Comes with the barn doors attached. A lot of this information hasn't changed from other videos. However, one of the things that has changed is the 3-light kit does not come with the second diffuser. They just come with one, and it slides in to a slot here. And what they don't tell you is there's actually a little latch to lock that in place. And you just push it like that and it's locked into place. A lot of the videos talking about their other lights talk about how the barn doors are made out of aluminum. These are made out of plastic. I do wish they had been made out of aluminum. However, these do fit a lot tighter and address some of the issues that I've seen on the older lights where they talked about light spill and all that. These fit a lot tighter. While we're at it, one of the more popular videos on YouTube that talk about these lights talk about how when you mount them and you have the barn doors open, blah blah blah, that you can't tilt it like this. Well, what he didn't take into account is that this is a 2-position mount. You can either mount it on your light stand like this or like this and adjust it accordingly. And if you have it mounted like this or on a light truss, you can move down or up or anywhere between. So yeah, don't take that with a grain of salt. There's other better made videos that talk about the functions of these lights, so I'm not going to address that because they work quite well for the price. I just wanted to address some of the things that I've seen in the 3-light kit that I wasn't seeing in the videos talking about just the 1-light kit. Mainly things being the second diffusion filter. You're supposed to take the barn doors off and it mounts right here. These do not come with that. The barn doors are not made out of aluminum. They're made out of plastic. They do fit tighter to the main chassis than the aluminum doors, and they are removable. And on to one of the main things, and that is using their phone app to control it. I'm going to save y'all a whole bunch of trouble with this video, because if you come over here to support and watch their videos that tell you how to connect the app, they're useless. That app has been updated. If you go to YouTube and try to watch other videos talking about how to connect that app, they are useless because the software has been updated. So what you do is you come over here and you download the app, and it's going to give you 2 options, either for iOS or Android. I don't have an Android phone, but I do have an Apple phone, and I've already done this. And you're going to install the app, Just scan the barcode, go to the App Store, download it, install it, open it. You don't even have to open it. Just make sure that your light's on. Come over to your Wi-Fi settings. Over here in settings, go to Wi-Fi, click Wi-Fi, and you're going to see it where it says GM_LED. You're going to connect to that. That is your light. It's going to ask you for a password. The password is GVM_admin, no caps. And that's going to connect it to your light. Okay, and we are now connected. Let me bring the light up. There we go. It's connected. Let's launch the app. Click back. And as you can see, I'm now connected. Come back to the main screen where you can see me in the phone. You should be able to see the lighting change on my face. But anyway, it's that easy. I mean, it might be a little bit frustrating, but I'm just trying to save you a whole lot of problems. All you've got to do now is download the app, install the app, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings, make sure that you're not connected to any other network, make sure your light is on. It's gonna be listed as GVM_LED. Try to connect to that. It's gonna come up and ask you for the password, and the password is GVM_admin. And I'll put that in text right here to where y'all can see it. Give me just a second. That is going to be the login password to log in. Anyway, I hope that helps. That's the GVM 480LS. And until next time, this is Vitaly here at Red Barn Productions, and y'all have a great day.